Hey guys, so I finally got approved for on-site commissions through the Amazon affiliate program, and I wanted to show you guys the three videos that I use to get approved for on-site commissions. So just going to be going through each of them and not really talking. So here is video number one.
Today I'm going to be reviewing this mic, and this is just going to be an audio test. There's not going to be any editing done on the audio, so this is audio straight from the microphone as soon as I plugged it into my smartphone. This is just an example of what audio would sound like if I were just recording audio straight from my smartphone. Again, this is audio without the microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a great affordable mic if you're trying to have something that's very portable that just plugs right in for you to be able to edit like TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, that type of thing. So yeah, very good mic. Again, this is a test of the audio quality. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching.
All right, so I decided to go with a vertical video for that one just because it was easier for me to record in that moment. And I actually had two vertical videos and one horizontal video. So moving on to the next video.
The solution to fighting your baby wipe container is here. So I actually purchased a second one of these, and it is huge for the nursery. All you have to do is open up your wipes, put it at the bottom, and you just put this weight on top, and then you could just pull wipes without it hooking anything. For example, boom. Look at how easy that was. Again, I have two of these, and it's pretty great. And you could also put wipes that you didn't use just back in there like that and just close it, and it keeps it very fresh. So loving this thing. I actually bought a second one.
All right, there you go. That is my second vertical video there. That one was a pretty short one, just demonstrating the product and talking about it. And it didn't take long to produce or edit anything like that. So on to video number three.
So I'm in love with this portable air pump, and it is powered by a cord that plugs into your car through the cigarette lighter. And I'm going to fill my tire with some air, and the only way you could set your PSI is with this minus and plus button. So all you have to do is press it once, and then you see I have it set to 32 PSI, and I'm just going to plug this end into the tire. So let me do that real quick. Removing the cap, and then I'm gonna plug it. It's so easy to do. You can just do it one-handed. Plug it in like that. Lock it like so, and as you can see, it's currently at 25.5. So I'm just going to hit this on button here on the right side, and it's going to be pretty loud, so I'm just going to play a couple seconds of it. But you just have to keep it on, and it'll automatically go up to whatever you set it as. For me, I set it for 32, so it's going to keep going until it's at 32, and it's going to stop automatically. So here we go. Just like that, like I said, it stops automatically, and this is by far needed by everyone. This saves me from going to the gas station just to use the air pump, and like I said, it stops by itself. All I had to do is just to take this off and put the cap back on my tire, and we are done. So definitely pick this up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
All right, in each of the videos, my main goal was to answer a lot of questions that somebody who is looking at the product might want answered. And I was like, okay, if I was about to buy this product, what would I want answered? And that's the approach I took when I was recording and also while editing. And I tried making these videos like pretty short. Like every time I make a shoppable video through the Amazon influencer program at this point, I make my video like 30 seconds as a minimum, and my maximum is like around 2 minutes. I've been averaging around like 40 something seconds to a minute, or a little bit over a minute. That's kind of my sweet spot at this moment, because if you really think about it, people are just shopping and they just don't have that much time to look into the actual product descriptions and that type of thing. So like, oh, maybe there's a video just telling me everything I would like to know. So that's what I try to provide. And those were the three videos that got me approved for on-site commissions. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.